Evening, everybody. This is Taylor with GameEdge coming at you with a quick market status for Thursday, July 28th. Here's our general disclaimer page. Please give this a read. When you've done so, let's move on. Here we have our tick US model. I will start out with the cumulative tick that you noticed reversed on the open, continued its trend higher, similar to what we saw last week, which was above the short-term moving average ribbon. One thing to note, as I just mentioned, is the reversal did happen on the open. These are more prone to failure, so it's important to see if we do roll over in the coming days and weeks below this moving average ribbon, or if we do maintain this structure of higher highs and higher lows. Rounding out this model, we continue to have the longer term moving average uninvert. This is very constructive, powerful signal. Breadth was bearish today as new lows outpaced new highs, but another positive was that we did see some significant buying via the filter tick. So again, all in all, we are still constructive on this model. Here with the tick ARCX model, again, very similar to the tick US model, reversal on the open, resumed its short-term trend higher. As far as the long-term ribbon goes, this is further uninverting as well. So again, constructive on all fronts here, and we do have all of our signals currently firing right now. You have the SPY Gamma dashboard. So we opened right at 390, which was our line in the sand last night. This is also a pretty technically important level that we'll see on the next page. We did trade up to plus GEX of 400. From here, we want to see these positive gamma strikes continue to build out higher above price. This indicates participants committing capital higher and higher. This would give price kind of upward targets from here. To the downside, below 390, start to get into a negative gamma spiral. Ultimate target would be down to 370. However, again, up at 400. Let's see if 400 can hold in plus GEX shift higher. This would be most constructive. Here we have the SPY 5-minute chart I just referenced. You can see 390 here in orange. This was line in the sand. See pretty technically important, a lot of price interaction here. Sorry. We traded up to plus GEX of 400 right here. This should be green, but it's not. So from here, we want to see plus GEX, like I was saying, shift higher and higher. As for right now, the risk to reward is not that great, as ceiling is 400, and we could technically pull back to 390, and that would be constructive. So again, it's all about risk to reward here. Here we have the SPY 5-minute daily chart. You can see we traded up to anchor VWAP, top of a channel. If that's a coincidence or not, frankly, not sure. We'll just have to see how price interacts with these levels in the coming days and weeks. On this time frame, 385 is my line in the sand, where we've been bullish above it, bearish below it. Again, kind of risk reward is not favoring new longs here, as a potential ceiling could be 410, and a natural correction could be a 385. That's not to say you can't take long trades here intraday with sound risk management, just kind of from a longer term perspective and what the technicals are saying. The risk to reward may not be in your favor here. But again, we're trading price. As long as tick is constructive, we'll be looking for those long entries, potentially turning day trades into swing trades and longer term trades. So here I want to hit on a couple of liquidity stocks to end this. We have Apple earnings tomorrow. Plus GEX at 160, so not a ton of room higher. The reason I mentioned these stocks is because you'll see most of them are bumping up against plus GEX. This is kind of our upside target. So the thinking is, if we want the market to continue higher, we know it's at plus GEX, so we kind of want to see calls building up and out in all of these instruments, which will help plus GEX higher, give us higher targets, and theoretically help push price higher. So I got for you guys tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. We have your website down here, offering a free 2-week trial right now. All the tools turned on. If you're interested in learning more about what I have to say, Paul's morning call, whatnot, we'd love to have you. So with that, I wish you all good luck tomorrow, and I'll talk to you tomorrow night. Okay, bye.